What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be working on the yellow car outside. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the rear arms. I plan on putting them into the Skyline, and we actually partnered with Maxpeedingrods to go ahead and get me a replacement set for the yellow car. So that's pretty much what we have on the agenda for today. Tire is flat, so I can't get the jack under the subframe, and the car is already aired up, so just a little bit of air in the tire should give me enough space to get the jack under the subframe. Just like that. So again, we partnered with Maxpeedingrods. They came in clutch and sent over their adjustable suspension arms. So we got the rear camber, this is the front tension rods, this is the rear traction rod, and the tow arms. So we're gonna be replacing these with the ones that are in there. Again, shout out to Maxpeedingrods for always coming in clutch and supporting the builds, man. Let's get this thing done. So pretty much these three arms are here. So the traction, camber, and the tow arm. So I'm gonna start with the traction rod. You typically want to take it out one by one, because if not, this arm is gonna like move crazy all over the place. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one by one. Look at all these spider webs. You can tell this car hasn't been used in a minute. Bailey would just freak out. Anyway, let's go ahead and take off this rod. I gotta take off the camber arm first. So we're running into some issues. This bolt won't be able to come out unless I take the camber arm out. So it looks like I'm gonna go ahead and take the camber arm out first. Yeah. Okay. First one is out. Ew, that crock is full of water. Okay guys, so next thing we gotta do is just match up the lengths of these rods here. So fairly simple. Line up the bolt hole to the bolt hole and then shorten these to match this. So all right, so now this arm can go in. Start with the inside. Why is this so hard? Jeez, the nut fell all the way to the other side of the car. Jeez, I'm out here like battling spider webs to get these things on. Okay. Whew. Okay guys, so I already got the other side done. So pretty much the Maxpeedingrods setup is now in the yellow car. I'm gonna go ahead and take the other arms that I had in here and put it in the Skyline. So Maxpeedingrods also sent out their Hicas delete kit. So the Skyline also has Hicas, which is like kind of like a rear wheel steering. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and delete that with their Hicas delete kit. We'll leave all their links down in the description below. Again, I just want to give a big shout out to Maxpeedingrods for always supporting us here on the channel. So we're gonna go ahead and steal the steering wheel out of this yellow car because it's a Vertex wheel and it's an expensive wheel, and I kind of want to put it in the Skyline. So we also got to recenter the steering wheel on the Skyline as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and steal this wheel off this car real quick. I kind of want to put the quick release on too, I think.
In the Skyline?
On the Skyline. Because you cannot drift this car with the quick release in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's why we took it off, right?
Yeah.
So someone suggested that we do a live Q&A. That's something that we probably could end up doing if we get enough interest in it. So let us know in the comment section below. So lives aren't something that we've really gotten into, but it's something that I do want to actually try. So if you guys want that to happen, let us know, and then maybe we can get together and schedule a time that'll work for everybody, probably like a Saturday or something. Well, let us know in the comment section below, because that would be something kind of cool. Maybe like as we're working on the car, we can have the live going and you guys can ask questions and kind of see what we're doing in real time. Something like that. Maybe we'll do something small for the first one. Using Allen keys are always a little bit stressful for me because I don't want that to strip.
Yeah, I don't like to use them.
So it's like, you don't need to over tighten your Allen keys, guys. Sometimes, like on the shell out there when I took off the steering wheel, the Allen keys almost stripped out because it was so tight.
Yeah.
So it's so scary. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is take off the steering wheel, then we gotta recenter it, bolt it down, and then take off the steering wheel and replace it with this one.
Where's your quick release?
Right here. Saw that magic trick?
How long have you had that quick release? Is that the original one you got?
Yeah, this is the one. So I got this quick release off of Brent's FC.
Really?
I think it was the FC. Yeah,
Well,
he
what
gave
was
it to
that?
me.
Like
15 years ago or something like that. Yeah, I was like really young. I'm young now, but when I had this, I was really young, you know?
Yeah.
I'm just really young now.
You were probably like 20 when you got that?
No, what the heck? I was probably like...
19?
No, younger than that. I was like 17 maybe. Oh, which is almost 15 years ago though.
Time goes by so fast.
Time guys goes by so fast. Time guys really does. So the reason why I have to put this back on without the horn is so that way I can remove this nut in here. So that way I can center the steering wheel first. So we're gonna take off the nut that holds the hub on. Oh, dummy. It's because of splines. Oh, you wanna make sure you put your nut on the spline, or else you're gonna crack yourself in the face with this. Oh, this is a junk steering wheel. Look at this flex.
Yeah. Damn.
Oh. Look at that flex. I'm scared to like fool it. Oi.
Damn. It's on there.
It doesn't help that I just impacted it on.
I didn't think that the steering wheel could move that much.
So here's a prime example of why it's dangerous to have replica steering wheels. Okay, so all you people out there that are running replica steering wheels, this is the reason why. Let's just say you're driving and you're driving aggressively, the steering wheel will bend. Or if you get in a car accident, you can't brace yourself because it'll bend. So that's why it's like worth it to get quality parts for certain items, because it's like a safety issue, you know?
Yeah. I could probably use a different steering wheel in my car.
Well, actually that one is pretty solid.
Okay.
But it's like the fake Nardis and stuff like that, fake Vertex wheels and stuff.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. This is not gonna come off with this wheel attached, because when you hit it, you vibrate it, and the vibration is not transferring over to the hub because the steering wheel is flexing. So
It's pulling in all the directions.
yeah, so I'm gonna
Get rid of that.
And then this wheel bends too.
That would be hilarious if this wheel bends.
We're gonna see
Okay.
it right now.
What brand is this?
It's a D Sport.
D Sport? Okay, we're gonna do D Sport versus authentic Vertex.
Do you think it's gonna flex?
I feel like it's not, but that would be freaking hilarious if it does.
Ready?
Okay. Oh no. Oh,
No, this doesn't
no.
flex.
Are you trying?
Yeah, I'm trying. It's very hard. Oh, I have something.
What do you got?
I got a cooler,
Oh, okay.
but I don't know if I have long enough bolts.
Did you find one?
So I got the wheel cooler on here. Let's see if this will help us take this thing off. Yeah, it came off. Damn, look at it, bent the steering wheel.
Oh yeah, you can see it. It goes like this.
Yeah. So if my calculations are correct, they would have lined up the line on the steering column with the line that says top, which means all I have to do is realign those lines, turn the steering wheel back to where the tapes match up, and then that should be center. Because before it was like this. Now it's like this. Okay, we can always adjust it once we get the car aligned. So this will probably still be crooked, but we will align the car and then remove the hub again. But the main thing was to get the steering wheel straight, and then we go put the vertex wheel on it and call it a day.
What is your favorite brand of steering wheel?
Probably the Vertex. I don't know. I like deep dish wheels like this. Bradley gave me this steering wheel, so I didn't actually buy this wheel. Brad gave it to me when he sold his 350Z. For about 10 years now, I think I've had this steering wheel almost. Maybe about like eight-ish years or something like that.
Oh yeah, like since we've been in California.
I'm gonna put the quick release on later. The reason being is because I still have to adjust the steering wheel. So with the hub, or with this on, I can't access the hub easily. So I was planning on putting this on, but then Christine reminded me that we do have to align the car in order for the steering wheel to actually be straight. But right now we're just eyeballing it, so this will do. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. So we're just doing little changes here and there to the Skyline. We do have some pretty big suspension parts coming in for the Skyline sooner than later, so we're just kind of waiting on that. But for now guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, check out Maxpeedingrods, links will be in the description, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace out and stay good.